What's going on, guys? This is Joe Dimitri with Coldwell Banker Realty. I'm a realtor here in Orange County. I'm going to go over the basics of what's happening in the market. Uh, Today is April 20th, and so we'll break down the report that was just sent out by economist Stephen Thomas. He does a report every 2 weeks called the Reports on Housing. Feel free to go to reportsonhousing.com and subscribe if you want that weekly report. He does it for all of Southern California. I want to show you a few graphs here. So let's jump right in. And let me just pull that up real quick and we'll talk about supply, demand, and expected market time. All right, so here's the report for Orange County. So he breaks down just like a summary here. This graph, let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Just talks about the type of market that we're in. Anything under 40 days, anything under 60 actually, is a hot seller's market. Anything under 40 is an insane market. So we saw a lot of that back in 2021, which is the red, and 2022, which is the orange. This year is the blue. The green is 2020 when the pandemic hit, and the purple is 2019. So that's more of a normal market. Okay. So right now we're about 37 days of expected market time. So we are in that insane market. Let's see here. So yeah, 37 days expected market time. We haven't seen 37 days in a while. And we're looking at April throughout 2013, 14, 15, and so on. The last time we really saw something like that was, April 2013. Let's take a look of active listings. So this is of homes available on the market. Let me make this a little smaller. So in a normal market, we have over 6,000 homes available. So right around this time, actually, in 2019, we had closer to 7,000 homes available. In 2020, which was right around the pandemic, we had about, let's say, 43 to 4,400 homes available. 2021, it's really close to where we are today, and 2022. So we're sitting right around that 2,000 homes on the market right now. There's a big gap between what's normal and what's healthy and a shortage, right? We're looking at about 4 to 5,000 homes of a gap. So I just want to break down the reason why we have low inventory is because majority of homeowners have an interest rate of 5% or lower. Actually, I think 90% have 5% or lower on their mortgage. Majority have 2, 3, 4% interest rates. So they're really happy with with what their payments look like right now. And so even if they really need to move, they're just content staying where they're at because of the low monthly rates that they have right now. And then in regards to demand, um, same thing. We're starting to see this demand increase, right? From January till today, it's going up. Even though the rates went up, demand's going up just because there's not enough homes. So keep in mind, there's different price brackets also that have a different supply and demand. So anything under 700,000, there's more of a demand than there is supply. Anything 750 to a million, there's still more demand than there is supply. Anything a million to a million 25, the demand is still higher. And we see that trend go all the way to 1.5. So anything 1.5 to 2 million, we're starting to see that there's a slight inventory increase than there is demand. Yeah, and so he breaks down all the cities of Orange County, of market time, and how it was compared to a year ago, 4 weeks ago, 2 years ago, etc. He breaks down attached homes, detached homes, all homes in Orange County, homes that sold, what the prices were, list to price ratio, right? Did homes sell at the ask price or above the ask price or under ask price, which is pretty awesome. Um, what else? Yeah, so he just breaks down a lot of data. He even breaks down counties and compares them to each other. Now, I just want to break down what this means to you if you're a seller and if you're a buyer. So, if you're a seller, it means that you'll sell your home quickly, you'll sell your home at top dollar, and get the terms that make sense to you. If you're a buyer, it doesn't make sense to keep waiting because if you wait and the interest rates come down, it's just going to make everything worse. Prices are going to continue to go up because now there's more competition, there's more buyers looking at inventory. I don't think the home prices will go down because we are in such a shortage of supply. And for the prices to come down, days on market have to go up, supply has to go up, demand has to come down. Um, the news likes to focus on, oh, home prices are dropping. Yeah, they're dropping for the homes that are overpriced, right? They keep having to do a price reduction. But overall, don't listen to the media. Look at the stats, look at the data. It's a very competitive market, even though that we're in that 6% to 7% interest rate range. Just not enough homes on the market. It all comes down to supply and demand. If you're a homeowner or a home buyer that's interested in knowing a little bit more about what's going on in the market, I subscribe to Orange County, LA County, San Bernardino, and Riverside counties. Feel free to text report to 949-923-0930. I'm more than happy to forward that report over to you.